the outcome of the meeting of the Reserve Bank of India's rate-setting panel could prove to be the key pivot point for the markets this week. Over the past 3 weeks, the benchmark S&P BSE Sensex has eked out gains of just 519 points, while the Nifty 50 added 219 points. The indices, in fact, gained merely 0.1% last week. G. Chokalingam of Economics Research expects the benchmark indices to rise about 3 to 4% in the near term, in case the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee holds the repo rate at 6.5% on Thursday, June 8th.
I think market is not worried about RBI policy, more on the global factors, whether the rate hike will happen, because US Fed people are divided. Some people are saying they should pause, some people are saying not yet over, they should hike. But still, I firmly believe that RBI will pause this time, and that will definitely help the markets.
However, what would also hold importance would be the RBI Governor's commentary.
There could be a possibility that they might revise down the inflation forecast for the near term a bit lower and may keep the growth projections as is at this point in time. So as I said that, given the fact that they still have a hawkish rhetoric in general, and they also have a cautious stance on inflation, and more importantly, what is happening around the world is that despite massive rate hikes, the growth and inflation levers are still pretty much, as we expect, a decline in inflation on a gradual basis and some moderation in growth on the back of external headwinds. I think while we stay on hold through last part of this year, maybe early part of next year or mid of next year, you should see window of rate cut opening.
Technically, the Nifty 50 index has resistance at 18,650 levels, while the BSE Sensex faces hurdles at 62,900. Against this backdrop, rate-sensitive sectors like banks and automobiles would be in focus this week.
The short-term trend for the Nifty Bank Index is aiming to scale 45,000 levels with a support of 42,500. For Nifty Auto Index, which is showing a formation of higher high, higher low, it is heading towards 15,000 levels, keeping a support at 13,800. For Nifty Realty Index, the higher high position and the breakout indicates a level of 525 with a support of 470 levels.
Thus, a prolonged policy pause amid global headwinds could give fillip to cyclical sectors. Of these, banks and real estate stocks are likely to benefit the most. For the rest of the week, services PMI data for May, IKEA Lightning IPO, and global economic data points will be on investors' radar.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She's working her way to the corner office. Business Standard.